Handicap. Let's have it.
God have mercy upon us.
Mama swag, Eladi mama swag, Nigeria mama swag, Anambra mama swag, Pali mama swag, Ngozi mama swag, whatever you do.